Oh, she's getting her little comfy warm outfit on. We are up first thing this morning, 7:30, to go to the beach to watch the cars and the bikes go out to get qualified for the race today. So cheers to 7:30. Okay, here we go.
Why don't we
And we're back. We missed the send-off to the ocean, so we're gonna just come back, have the rest of our coffee, some breakfast, and then go out for the whole day. Yeah, but Lana loves the boardwalk. So we're gonna have to come back really soon and take the girls on a boardwalk on an ocean trip and just thoroughly be able to hang out with no other plans, just at the beach. We are ready to go. Got my beach outfit on. We're gonna hope that Lana keeps her little hat on. Yes, we are. Are we ready? Are we ready? We're gonna go get sunblock out of the car and then we're gonna go to the race. We made it. We're gonna walk into things. It's sunblock time for this little one. But let me show you, this is the race. It's right on the water. So cool. Last year I didn't even get to go down there because I spent my entire day right up here with a newborn, with a 2-month-old, talking to a woman with my whole family down there. So, very boring last year. I'm so excited, and the nightlife for this place is awesome. We are here.
out there as well? We're gonna see how she feels out here today. You there, walking the track. Ring leg.
Yeah.
2025, ladies and gentlemen, in beautiful.
Such a cool vibe, this event. Found my happy place. I don't know if you can hear me, there's a lot of commotion, but I found my happy place, which is being down here with my little, away from big crowds. Anna found some friends.
Oh, we got one over here.
Just having fun. Washing off a sandy baby. Where are you going? Can go find Dada? Can go find Dada? Where is he? Anna has her little shade patch.
Germantown, Maryland in the house as well. Below that. Starting some trouble down there. But guys later though. See what a good time down there. How you doing, sir? Got the glasses, you got it all going on.
Lana, hi, baby. Say hi. Break. Having fun? All right, we just stopped for pizza.
Touch bowl where you can search starfish.
It is about to be evening at the boardwalk. Michael. Miss the kids. You like it?
One good business thing happened today.